back to part 2 of our HTML text videos. So I don't usually do a lot of talking, so let's just get started. First thing, not citations, quotations. So quotations kind of depend on whether you want it to happen among like some of the phrases in the paragraph, or like basically surrounding everything in the paragraph. So say you want to do everything in the paragraph, the command for that will be block quote, then close that. If you run that, usually people just indent that, but it definitely does imply that you're quoting the entire paragraph. And then if you want, you can cite the block quote, so over here you just say block quote cite equals to, and then put 2 quotation marks, and then you can put whatever your website is supposed to be. Alright, let me just quickly get rid of those. Alright, so if you want to do something like in the paragraph, say I want to quote the tech therapist, so I'll just type in that, and then I put that in there. Alright, perfect. Run. It basically just puts quotation marks over there. I accidentally put a space over there. So if I run that again. Alright, yep. That is what it's supposed to look like. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be covering is citations. So say I want to cite something. Say I want to cite the tech therapist. I'll just put cite instead of italics. It'll do the exact same thing as italics. In other words, it'll italicize it, but it's supposed to be a citation. Now we can move on to links and email links. So first of all, if I want to link this to my YouTube channel, well, first of all, I had to copy the URL from the address bar. I went to my YouTube channel and did that. So first you're going to need the A tag in order to link it. Close it. And then inside the opening A tag, say href equals to, then put quotation marks and paste in the URL. Then this especially helps for blind people because the screen reader gives very thorough description of the link. That is only if you put it in there. So you could say alt is equal to yada yada yada. I'll just say my YouTube channel. You can always make this as descriptive as you want, but right now I'll just say my YouTube channel. Whoops. Channel. Alright, so if I try opening this, it'll go to my YouTube channel. Now say I want to do an emailing link. So I can create a new paragraph really quick. And then I close that. Over here, I can say email me at, and then, first of all, I need to put my email. Over there. Then, what I can do is similar to linking this to a website. I put the A tag, then I do href is equal to, and then in there, instead of just putting in my email address, I have to say mail to, then put a colon, and then say the tech therapist, and then I'll just put in the rest. Yes, there's a typo there. The tech therapist. Okay, cool. Now if we see here, we can, I'll have to open mail to do that, but you can see that it will open up some kind of emailing software, or it might just open up a website to email. So that's it for links. Next, we'll be talking about the white space that you might want in some paragraphs. So for example, over here, if I put a p tag, then I close that, I say hi, I'm cool, and do all that. If I run that, it'll still like not really add any white space. And if you like put in like a lot of spaces over there, it won't add that. So to put in, so if you wanna put in line breaks, to do that, you will need to do this here first. Let me get this here and get that back. Yikes, it's cumbersome. Alright, so to do that, it's BR, and then just put a backslash at the end of it. Whoops. BR, and then put a slash at the end of it, and there. So this, why do we put the slash over there? Well, that's just because it's both a starting and an ending tag. It ends itself. So in that case, we won't need to add that. So over here, it'll add a line break. And then if you want horizontal rules, it's just HR instead of BR. Run that, and then you get that. So, to conclude this, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video. There are no more parts for this text, but I hope you learned a lot about text. In the next video, we're going to be learning more about how to make lists. So I'll see you there. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thanks for listening.